Imagine waking up in the morning, the sun gently touching your face, but instead of feeling sharp and full of energy, your mind feels heavy. You walk into the kitchen and forget why you came. You search for your glasses, only to find them sitting right on your head. You try to recall a name, a memory, or a detail, but it slips away like sand through your fingers. If this sounds familiar, please know, you are not alone. Memory struggles are one of the most common complaints after 60. But here is the good news. Memory decline is not something you have to accept. There is a natural way to refresh your brain every single morning. A way to wake up your mind, bring back your focus, and sharpen your memory just by drinking one simple recipe. This is not a pill. This is not a fancy supplement. It's a natural drink you can prepare in less than 2 minutes with ingredients you already know. And if you stay with me until the end, you will learn exactly how to make it, how it works, and what changes you can expect in just 10 days. Your sharper memory may be only one morning drink away. To understand why this drink is so powerful, let's first understand why memory often weakens as we grow older. Think of your brain as the control center of your body. It stores billions of pieces of information, like names, faces, birthdays, phone numbers, and even how to cook your favorite meal. Inside your brain are tiny messengers called neurons. They pass information from one place to another, just like little wires carrying electricity. But after age 60, a few changes happen. The wires slow down. Signals don't travel as fast as they used to. The blood flow weakens. Your brain needs oxygen and nutrients, but circulation naturally slows with age. Oxidative stress builds up. This is like rust forming inside the brain, making neurons weaker. Inflammation increases. Think of it as heat that slowly damages brain cells. Now here is the secret. Nature gives us certain foods and herbs that directly fight these problems. When combined, they not only protect the brain, but also make it sharper, clearer, and younger. So what is this special drink? It is a simple, soothing turmeric ginger elixir with lemon and honey. Yes, these are everyday ingredients, but when combined in the right way, they create a powerful memory-boosting tonic. Turmeric, the golden spice, famous for its anti-inflammatory powers. Its main compound, curcumin, protects brain cells and improves memory. Ginger improves circulation, fights oxidative stress, and keeps the brain active. Lemon provides vitamin C, which guards brain cells and lifts mood. Raw honey adds natural sweetness and antioxidants that help the brain stay young. This is more than just a drink. It's like a gentle morning medicine created by nature itself. Now, you might be wondering, why do these ingredients work so well together? Let's keep it very simple. Turmeric works like a shield. It protects your brain from inflammation, which is one of the biggest reasons memory declines. Ginger works like a pump. It improves blood flow, so more oxygen and nutrients reach your brain. Lemon works like a cleaner. It removes harmful toxins and gives you vitamin C, which your brain needs to stay sharp. Honey works like fuel. It provides gentle energy and antioxidants, keeping your brain cells safe from damage. When you drink all of these together in the morning, your brain wakes up fresh, protected, and ready for the day. How to prepare it? Now let's make it together. Ingredients you need: 1 cup of warm water, not boiling, just warm. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, or grated fresh turmeric. Half teaspoon of grated ginger, or ginger powder. Juice of half a lemon. 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Steps: warm 1 cup of water. Add turmeric and ginger. Stir gently. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Add 1 teaspoon of honey. Stir until smooth. Drink it slowly, preferably in the morning before breakfast. That's it. So simple, yet so powerful. What changes to expect in 10 days? Now here comes the exciting part. What happens when you drink this every morning? Day 1 to 3, you feel lighter. Digestion improves. Energy levels rise. Day 4 to 7, mental fog begins to clear. You feel more focused, less forgetful. Day 8 to 10, memory sharpens. You recall names, dates, and details more easily. And with consistent use, you are not only improving your memory, but also protecting your brain from future decline. Bonus brain tips to boost results. This drink is powerful, but when combined with other good habits, the results become amazing. Here are 5 bonus brain tips. Walk every day. Just 20 minutes improves blood flow to your brain. Challenge your mind. Read, solve puzzles, or learn something new. Get enough sleep. Your brain heals itself while you rest. Stay social. Talking, laughing, and connecting keep the brain alive. Eat brain foods, walnuts, berries, leafy greens, and fish are excellent for memory. Now let me share a simple morning routine you can follow. Wake up and drink a glass of plain water. Prepare your memory-boosting drink. Do a short walk or stretch for 10 minutes. Spend 5 minutes recalling 5 happy memories or 5 things you are grateful for. Eat a healthy breakfast with fruits, nuts, and protein. This routine sets your brain and body for success every single day. Now let me speak to your heart. If you are over 60 and sometimes feel worried about your memory, please don't lose hope. Your brain is not finished. It is alive. It is capable of healing. It is capable of growing new connections. Scientists call this neuroplasticity, and it means your brain can still get stronger, no matter your age. By taking small steps daily, like drinking this simple elixir, you are showing love to your brain. You are giving it the power to stay sharp, clear, and active. So please, believe in yourself. You are not defined by forgetfulness. You are stronger than you think. So, my friends, here's the simple truth. A warm cup of turmeric, ginger, lemon, and honey in the morning can change your days. It can bring back focus, lift the fog, and make your memory stronger. Try it for 10 days. Feel the difference. And once you experience it, make it a lifelong habit. Now, if this message touched you, please do 3 small things for me. Like this video so it can reach more people. Share it with your loved ones because memory health is a gift we can all share. And most importantly, subscribe to our channel Feel Fresh 360 so we can continue to bring you natural, powerful tips for a healthier, happier life. Thank you for being here. Thank you for taking care of yourself. Until we meet again, stay fresh, stay strong, and stay hopeful.